Alright, Old Man Reviews here, and I am going to be showing you a multitude of games that I have in my collection. I've started playing these and posting them online, and I'm going to start with my Nintendo 64 collection, and I'm going to pan up to the far left here. See GoldenEye. Loved that one, beat that one a few times. Going over to the museum, the Namco Museum, Pac-Man, Dig Dug. It was interesting, retro-y kind of thing. Star Wars Racer. Now that one was fun for a couple of levels, and then it just got to be a bit too much, too repetitive. I like how some of these games they would mix up the environments a little more. Spider-Man I thought was awesome. Love that game. I'm working on that one right now. The Shadows of the Empire. That was my favorite for the system. I've actually uploaded the easy and the hard version. And the hard version is with all the challenge points. So you got some special weapons and that you can get to. We have the Zelda. And that was one that I liked, but never did get very far on. I might have to revisit that one. Wave Runner, heading over. Star Fox is one of the most popular of the system. And I liked it, but never quite beat it the way I would want to. So I might take a look at that one again. I have Super Mario here, which I am actually playing Super Mario off the Wii. Through the download because my joystick for the N64 is 18 years old and it is showing its age, and there are events happening that shouldn't be. Things missed in that. And the Mario Party, another fun one to play. So that's my N64 collection. If you see anything you'd like me to try to upload, let me know. Thank you.